Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team and you're looking to improve schedule compliance for preventive maintenance, then you're in the right place. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to unpack the secret to analyzing your data and give you insight into tracking your preventive maintenance work orders. You'll learn about the importance of a CMMS system, and we'll discuss the key metrics to keep an eye on. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of how to identify root causes of poor compliance and how to train your team for improvement. So, let's dive in. Are you looking to improve schedule compliance for your preventive maintenance? The secret lies in analyzing your data, and that starts with tracking your preventive maintenance work orders. The most straightforward way to track preventive maintenance is through a CMMS, or a work order management system. If you're still using paper or a spreadsheet, you might find it challenging to analyze how many preventive maintenance tasks were completed on schedule. As you log these work orders, the primary metric to keep an eye on is how many are completed by their due date. If you notice a significant number, let's say above 20% being completed late, you likely have room for improvement. But watch out, any number above 90% might mean your team doesn't have enough to do. Now, to make improvements, you'll need to identify the root causes of poor compliance. Often, these are administrative practices, such as measuring productivity with unimportant metrics, inefficient scheduling practices, inaccessible resources, or a tendency to prioritize less critical tasks. You might also have some issues among your personnel, such as preferences for certain types of tasks, skill or training gaps, or a lack of understanding on the importance of preventive maintenance. In some cases, a high incidence of asset failure in your facility could be the culprit. If so, you may want to revise the types of preventive maintenance tasks you're performing. Your data can guide you to where your schedule compliance is failing. For instance, if you find that certain types of preventive maintenance tasks tend to be put off, you might have a skills gap somewhere. If you have a large number of emergency work orders, you may have a tendency to prioritize tasks that aren't actually emergencies. Once you've identified the root cause of your schedule compliance issues, you'll be able to train your personnel and leadership in ways that will improve it. For example, if you have a skill gap, you might train your maintenance planners to take outside resources into consideration for each work request. If your scheduling practices are causing issues with productivity, you'll want to train your maintenance planners and supervisors in best scheduling practices. Remember, keeping discussions respectful is key to getting everyone on board. So, take a deep dive into your data, identify your weak points, and train your team accordingly. This way, you'll be on the right track to improving schedule compliance for your preventive maintenance. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of a CMMS system, key metrics to monitor, and how to identify and address root causes of poor compliance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more valuable content.